Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was great leader of India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is also known as Bapu and father of the nation. He played a very important role to get India free. He was sent to jail many times. He was a strong supporter of non-violence. Gandhiji's style of living was very simple. He is a follower of simple living, high thinking. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. This great leader of our country died on 30 January 1940. Peace and non-violence continue to
Fighter of India. He is a well-known tribal folk hero. He was born on 15 November 1875 at Ulihatu in Jharkhand. His father's name was Sugna Munda and mother's name was Karni Hatu. He was very good in studies, so he joined German mission school. He spent his childhood day as a normal Munda tribal child with his friends. He became a freedom fighter at the age of 25 years and stood against the British government. He became popular under his leadership and tribal movement. He gave a famous slogan, "End the kingdom of the Queen, create our King Kingdom." His birth anniversary is celebrated as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas since 2021. His birth anniversary is also celebrated as Jharkhand Foundation Day. He was arrested by the British government on 3rd March 1900. He died on 9 June 1900 at the age of 25 years in the jail of Ranchi. People worship him like God in Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. He will always remembered as an Indian revolutionary who is still a motivation.
Pandit was an Indian diplomat and political, the sister of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. She was born on 18 August 1900 in Allahabad. She survived as the 8th President of the United Nations General Assembly from 1953 to 1954, the first woman appointed to either post. She was also the 3rd governor of Maharashtra from 1962 to 1964. Noted for her participation in the Indian independence movement, she was jailed several times during the movement. She was sent to London as India's most important diplomat after serving as Indian envoy to the Soviet Union, the Union State. Her time in London offers insight into the wider context of change in India-UK relations. She attended the 1916 Congress session that took place in Lucknow. She was impressed by Sarojini Naidu and
Was born on July 23, 1906 in the small village of Babra in Madhya Pradesh. From a young age, he was deeply inspired by the Indian freedom movement and the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. At the age of 15, he joined the non-cooperation movement and was arrested for the first time for participating in a protest. This only stated his resolve to fight for Indian independence. In 1928, he was involved in a shooting incident at Lahore's Lahori Gate, where he killed a British police officer and injured several others. These incidents made him a wanted man and he went underground to continue his struggle for freedom. Despite being hunted by the British government, Azad continued to organize and led various resolutions.
Bai was a great freedom fighter of India. She was born on 19 November 1828 at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. She is known as Jhansi ki Rani. At birth, she was named Manukarnika and nicknamed Manu. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, the ruler of Jhansi. Lakshmi Bai fought very bravely with the British to save Jhansi. While fighting near Gwalior, she was badly injured. She did not surrender to the British and died. Bhagat Singh was a great Indian freedom fighter of India. He was also known as Shahid Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. His father's name was Sardar Kishan Singh and mother's name was Vidyavati Kaur. He was a very bold and fearless leader. He is also known as Shahid-e-Azam. He gave a very famous slogan, Iqlab Zindabad. He devoted his life to India's freedom struggle at the age of 13 years. He founded Naujawan Bharat Sabha in 1926. He involved in numerous relation activities. He was arrested many times during Indian freedom struggle. He was hanged on 23rd March 1931. His death anniversary is celebrated as Shahid Divas every year. He sacrificed his life for freedom of India. Bhagat Singh will always be immortal in the heart of 28 January 1865 at Dudika in Punjab. He is also known as Punjab Kesari or Lion of Punjab. He played an important role in the India freedom struggle. He was a member of the trio called Lal Bal Pal. He died on 17 November 1928. He will always be important.
The Rani of Jhansi was the first woman warrior in Indian history to be this brave and powerful. She gave her life in the struggle for Swaraj and the liberation of India from British domination. Rani Lakshmibai is the shining example of patriotism and pride in one's country.
Was the great freedom fighter of India. He was born on 28 September 1907 at Banga village, Layarpur district in Punjab. Bhagat Singh was a young Indian revolutionary. His father's name is Kishan Singh Sadhu. His mother's name was Vidyavati. He is also known as Shahid Bhagat Singh. He gave Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on Shavasta and his mother was Nanda Devi. He had to become the next Prime Minister of India after Jawaharlal Nehru. He was known for his simplicity. He was one of the great freedom fighters for self his life.